Alright, so this looks complicated as fuck, Egg. I'm not sure if I want to do this anymore.
I'm building this shit. You have to protect me.
I'm gonna fucking die.
Reloading.
Same.
No, you're fucking not. You have full health.
Oh yeah, true.
What do you mean, true?
Sledge is an angry boy.
Hey,
I am.
actually, I can unlock a medkit right now. Just give me like a minute.
Alright, fuck that. I'm gonna try and protect you because you're being an asshole and not protecting me.
Look, I'm trying to unlock a medkit. So
But I'm fucking dying. Cooper, what are you doing, little dog? I can't play with you right now. I'm trying not to fucking die.
All right, there's Sledge. Go get it.
Where? Cooper, stop trying to play with me. No, no, Cooper, get off the desk. Cooper, no. Where's the fucking health kit?
You see where it says health kit on the technology over there? At the top, right here. On the top, on the top.
Yeah.
Get it?
Cooper, get off the fucking desk. Come on, dude. You're fucking messing up my game.
Pick him up and set him down.
I gotta heal.
I can't. I'm focused on not fucking. Ah! Cooper! No!
I can also
You
unlock
fucked
the-
me up, dog! What the hell?
Okay.
You fucked me up, little dog. Little dog, you fucked me. You fucked me, little dog. You fucked me.
Why the hell's your little dog fucking you?
No, he's not physically, asshole.
He's not physically an asshole? Well, I mean, that only makes sense.
Makes perfect sense. I mean, he isn't. Oh, he's not physically an asshole. He has an asshole, but he isn't himself an asshole. You understand?
Yeah.
I unlocked the adrenaline, then the pills, then the medkit.
Yeah, I realized that.
Oh my god!
Oh my god! Oh my fucking god!
Come on, man.
Jesus Christ, Cooper!
Jockey, jockey.
Do you see what you've done, little dog? Do you see what power you have? I'm getting dualies because this is fucking ridiculous and we need more shit.
I'm gonna unlock the ammo pile, cause I'm actually gonna try and protect you.
Yeah, please! No, 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 no.
No! No!
You're fine. You're fine.
You,
Coach is fucking dead!
have you never heard of Old Greg?
Jesus Christ!
Have you never heard of Old Greg?
No!
We need to get more people in here.
We need to get fucking like Casey and Rare or some shit. Goddamn. Alright, Casey lost the computer. Keep forgetting that.
Oh fuck!
Are you good? Oh no, you're not. No, you're not good. Oh no, you're not good! Oh!
Jesus Christ! No!
Walking Dead 2 is only $9.99?
Guys, we need to lower the difficulty.
Honestly, what do you have it as?
Normal.
Oh my fucking god, if you can't do it at normal, what can you do it at?
Good F1. We're only 18 minutes in. This is already just fucking went downhill so fast. AI director, why are you like this? He did have like no fucking pity. Jesus.
Hey guys.
Alright. So let's do this again. I'm gonna get the adrenaline, then the pills, then the medkit. You two, you three.
I'm gonna get a chain link fence.
Watch you.
God fucking damn it.
Oh, you're fine, you're fine, you're fine.
It didn't sound like they were fine.
No, it's fine.
But they didn't sound like they were fine, though.
No, they're fine.
Oh, fuck! Are you the big gay?
I can confirm.
Wait, you are?
No.
But you just said
What? Why the hell would I say that? What's wrong with you?
Like you just said.
Got a sweeper.
Oh no, Charger! Get the chain link fence up!
My booty hurts. I don't know why.
Are you butt hurt?
I think my entire back hurts. Like, it's not just my butt.
Come on. Alright.
So you're not just butt hurt.
No. I'm aching.
That sounds like a you problem.
It is a me problem.
Well, if it's a you problem, then it's not my problem.
Yeah, I never said it was.
The absolute
fuck up, son.
size of this lad. He's almost dead, he's almost dead. Killed him.
Come on. Come on. Come on already! Thank you.
Blue Mountain. Fuck, I can't remember the rest.
Country road.
Take me home to
Chance,
the
Smoker Scott
place. I know. Babylon,
Why does
West
Elvis-
Virginia.
Elvis looks like he's about to blow. Yo, we might need a, help her.
Nah, she's fine. Alright. She's actually being bait right now, so. Oh my god, poor coach.
Oh my god, no.
Poor fucking coach, dude. Jesus.
Dude, we can get a grenade launcher later.
No.
Alright, time
Alright.
to unlock the
I
desert
really like
rifle.
this. This is okay. This is like actually starting to get fun. Now that we're not getting fucked.
This is definitely a 4-player map. But on easy, it can definitely be its.
Yeah.
If you give Coach the shotgun, he is so okay.
He's only okay. He's so very okay.
He's only okay.
Oh my god, that was fucking awful aiming.
Uh-oh. Oh no,
Alright,
I'm gonna
are you-
die!
At least tell me you got it. Tell me you got it, dude.
I got the air tank.
Alright,
and
good.
then-
What the?
Why are there so many?
I don't know.
Oh
Could you help me,
god.
please? Could you help me, please? Like, would you kindly?
Yo, I think Coach might actually be screwed.
Oh my god. Alright, now let's get fucking assessed here. Heal everyone up so I don't fucking die. I'll heal
me get
myself.
the-
You heal Rochelle. I'm gonna heal myself.
I'm going to get the M16 rifle.
What's going on?
Ah! Jesus Christ!
No, not egg.
Oh god, it's a tank!
What? Oh, fuck. Come on, no faster!
Oh.
Run, I'm out. I'm out, see ya. Ow.
Come on,
Oh, I'm boned. I'm boned.
come on, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it!
Oh, wait. Oh, the tank go for you or me? What the fuck?
I think it's going for Coach!
Oh, now it's going for me.
Kill it! We
Alright,
killed
good.
it!
Get a health kit so we can fucking heal coach.
Why don't I...
Hey, I got first aid kit if somebody needs it.
Oh my god, Coach looks so fucking sad.
Alright, we need to start, like, pushing up.
I think it's once we get good shit, we can start like power building the rocket. God, I need like 20 seconds to get this AK.
Jesus Christ. That was. Oh! Please help. I require assistance.
Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god.
Uh-oh.
Oh god.
Before you get health, get a bile bomb because the next wave's gonna kill me any second now.
Nice shot. I'm reloading. Grabbing a bile bomb.
Oh, they're coming.
Yeah, see, I told you.
Why is the moon so close?
Because this isn't Earth.
Like, look up and look how close.
I know, I saw. This isn't Earth, dude.
I'm gonna get the auto shotgun because that one's great.
What? Thank you, Rochelle. Maybe Rochelle's worth keeping after all. I've learned that frag ammo is actually probably the best ammo because of how fucking overpowered it is. They had to remove it from Versus. That's how fucking overpowered this ammo is. So, just keep that in mind.
Yeah.
No, stop picking up the fucking shotgun! That's a boomer. I'm down. Please help me. Please help.
Oh!
Get this fucking grenade launcher, dude.
Yeah, the grenade launcher would be pretty useful.
Not only that, but it's a fucking grenade launcher. Are you stupid? Oh god, poor fucking coach.
I was gonna defib him.
Oh, there's more shit we can build up here, actually. This might be really dangerous.
What?
What I'm doing right now.
What are you doing?
There's some more shit to build up here.
Oh.
It's like right at the gate.
Ooh. Let me.
Ah!
I see you losing health still.
Don't fucking laugh at me! Help me! Alright, let's get the hell out of here.
I have like a reskin mod for every weapon and I love it.
I have a reskin for every weapon, but it's not like a joke. It's kind of like an HD, but for the AK, it's like an actual reskin, and I like this reskin. I like it
Yeah,
a lot.
I like the reskin as well. Help me!
Oh, fuck, sorry, I wasn't paying attention. Fucking coach is in my way! Alright, so Rochelle is dead. We don't need to help her. We can just defib.
No!
What do you mean, no?
We need to help Rochelle.
No, she's fine. We can just defibrillate her.
Yeah, sure.
There's a defib literally just laying on the fucking ground. Hold still. Pull out your fucking gun, idiot! Come on, dude. Let's get this auto sniper. Alright, you take care of that. I'm gonna do this. Should probably take care of that. Yeah, I don't think. Alright, no more dicking around. I'm gonna actually do this now. Because we don't need the rest of that. Protect me! Hey! What are you doing? You're just fucking sitting there.
I'm back.
When'd you leave?
Like, I left for a second to do something. Let me get the...
Alright. That second part. Alright. Bio.
Dude, we have all the weapons we need.
Yeah, honestly. Like, we could have melee, but we don't exactly need it. So I'm just gonna build, dude.
Yeah,
you guys take care of that. I'm gonna do this, if that's cool.
Oh my god!
Oh my god, it's just a fucking wave every time.
Dude,
It's like this.
most of the weapons I have are from Killing Floor 2, and I love it.
Most of my weapons are just normal reskins, like HD and shit.
Help.
I'm trying, I can't find the smoker.
It's dead.
No, it's not.
Well, there was another smoker.
No, there wasn't. It was the same smoker. What was I doing? Oh, it's a tank. That's no good. Let's get him out of here. Get him out of here. We don't need that.
Dude, the AK just destroys the tank.
Is there another tank? What was that?
Dude, you know another map we could do?
What?
Tanks Playground.
Oh my fucking god. There are like 3 tanks playgrounds though, so. Tonfa? What's the Tonfa? Hold on. Right, I know. Hold on, I'm doing the real job. I want to see what this Tonfa is. Oh, shoot, Tonfa. Alright.
Dude, I like the expressions on their faces.
The character models I have, they don't really have facial expressions. In fact, alright, no.
I'm using the Ellis, Rochelle, Coach, and Nick.
So you're using the default?
Yeah, because I like them.
Well, yeah, they're nice. I just like the skins that I have more. They're the default, but not, I guess. Oh, what the fuck is that? I don't want this.
What?
I don't fucking want this. Damn pistol back.
Oh, I can get the fire axe. And then from there, we can get the machete.
Alright, no, I only wanted to find out what this Tonfa was. Now that I have, I'm very disappointed.
I can see into. Oh.
No! Oh my god, it was almost done! Are you fucking serious? No! Alright, no more delays. Come on, no more fucking delays. We've been almost an hour on this one level. No more fucking delays. Let's do this.
They're like constant smoke.
Oh god damn it! I thought that was the last part. That didn't.
You know what? The last thing I want
Help.
to do. The last thing I want to do is go out from this level with a chainsaw. Oh no! Do I need to unlock everything else to get the chainsaw? Dude, I'm actually done with this level.
Honestly. Alright, stop trying to get the fucking chainsaw. Come on, dude.
Like, don't you want to get the chainsaw?
No! I want to finish this. You've been on this for like over an hour now. Well, 58 minutes. Rather. Come on.
Come on. We can't deny the chainsaw. Also, you haven't even finished the rocket.
I know. I'm trying to, but there's so many fucking zombies, I can't focus on doing the rocket. That's a wall of flesh if I've ever seen one. Did I throw it? I don't think I did.
No.
Well, no, we can't both die. We can't both die. Not now. Not now. No, this isn't fair. This isn't fair. No, this isn't fair. This isn't fair. This isn't fair. Rochelle, help me!
You're all gonna die.
This isn't fair. No, we've been doing this for an hour straight. Fucking, oh my god, Rochelle, you dumb cunt! This is where we die. This is where I die, at least.
No. I have 2 more unlocks so I could get the chainsaw.
Oh my fucking god, hey!
Run. Who wouldn't want to be on a rocket with a chain?
Me. That sounds terrifying. Just you being in the rocket, fucking swinging that thing left and right. That'd be scary as hell.
I mean, we could use it in space.
Ah!
No.
Down. I need some help.
Uh-oh.
Jesus
Uh-oh.
Christ! No! Oh God, no! No!
All right, Egg, get out of here!
No!
Egg, get out of here! Egg! Egg! I just killed my throat.
No! No!
This isn't fair. This isn't fair.
Christ! Bile Jar, Jesus Christ.
Please, please, for the love of God.
No! I'm about to die!
I'm telling you, stop fucking focusing on the stupid chainsaw! But no, gotta get the fucking chainsaw. Gotta get that chainsaw. We gotta get the fucking chainsaw. We gotta get the fucking chainsaw, Egg. We gotta get the chainsaw. Ah! Chainsaw! Cooper, come on, so we got a fucking chainsaw.
He sounds angry.
Yeah. I think I'm gonna stop playing.
Oh. You ever drink Bailey's from a shoe? You ever
Shut
go
up.
to-
Shut up, stop talking.
You ever go to a club where people wee on each other?
Shut the fuck up. C-Tail.
I'm old Greg. I got a mangina. I'm Officer Flying Fuck. My job is to make sure that nobody fucks in the air.
Wait, what? Wait, what? Wait, what? What the fuck? I make Travis make sure no one flex in the air. That's funny. I like that. Before we build the last part. God damn it, Zito.